This is the Estarli Longtail e-cargo bike. It's available in 3 different configurations. You've got the standard edition, which comes without the rear rack. You've got the cargo edition with the rear rack mounted. Then you've got various seating options with the family edition. All options have the front rack mounted. The bike uses a carbon belt drive, so there's no chain or rear derailleur, so there's no oil and there's no mess. The motor is a 250 watt 80 Newton meter mid-drive Bafang motor, and the battery is a 840 watt hour 17 amp hour battery. The gearing for the bike comes from the internal gear hub on the rear wheel, and the bike has front and rear hydraulic disc brakes and full front suspension. The claimed range is up to 120 kilometers, and that's with all the usual caveats. And the maximum load rating, including the rider, is 210 kilograms. And the price for the standard edition, so without any modifications on the back, is just under £3,000. The stem utilises the same mechanism as found on the Estarli folding bike, so you can actually fold the stem down, which helps with the storage of the bike. The only difference between the 3 configurations is what's mounted on the back. So as you can see here, there is a rack mounted on the back, so this is the cargo edition. The standard edition doesn't have any rack on the back, and then the family edition has various options for child seats. The 80 Newton meter mid-drive motor provides plenty of torque, which is what you need with a large cargo bike such as this. The handlebars are rather narrow, but everything's within easy reach, and to change gear you simply twist the right gear grip. The 20-inch wheels and front suspension provide for a nice smooth ride, and overall we are really impressed with the Estarli Longtail e-cargo bike, especially for the price point, as it's considerably cheaper than all the competition.